Hi, I'm Steve from JPS Electrical Services, and in today's video, whilst I'm working on the Help Bristol's Homeless project, I thought I'd take this opportunity to run through installing a socket. So here I've got a British General socket, 2-gang socket, brand new cable in installed. So we've got our brown, blue and green and yellow. Green and yellow being the earth, blue being the neutral and brown being the live. What I particularly like about these British General sockets are the fact that it's really easy. You can't get this wrong because they've labelled up, not only have they put the letter N and L on there, they've also given you the colour, so blue, brown, green, yellow. Obviously, if you are working with old colours, red, black, sometimes green, then black is neutral and red is live, so just be aware of that. You'll notice that I haven't bent these cables over. Some people, what they do is they strip it back further and then bend them over. The reason I haven't done that is because these line up nicely inside the terminal, and they allow you to screw straight down on top. Obviously it's important to do these up nice and tight, but not so tight that you damage the cable. So you can see that's in there nice and tight. So we'll do the same with the live. One thing I have noticed with this already, this still needs to be painted and the filling finished off. It looks like whoever cut the hole out just cut it out a tiny bit too much at the top. So imagine when I put this socket to the wall, there'll be a gap across the top, but that's not my problem. It will bug me, don't get me wrong. I love to see everything looking perfect, but there's nothing I can do with that on this occasion. So there we go, our green and yellow in position. See the green and yellow, the brown with the brown, the blue with the blue. The next important thing to do is to dress the cable in. So just gently persuade the cables to sit into position, and then just pull them back towards the socket so that they're not resting against the metal back box. There we go. Now this one is going to need some slightly longer screws than the ones that come with the socket. So what I like about these NWS cutters is they come with a screw cutter. So we're just going to put that in there to the length we want it, and then squeeze it tight. Put the next one in, and then I like this function because you just line the screw up like so that you can get the exact length on both screws, and then cut that. Oopsie. When you're tightening the screw, just check that there's no risk of catching the cables. You'll notice one lug will be fixed and one will move up and down. And the reason for this is to allow you to find the level for the socket. So we'll just do that up. Right, can I get rid of this at the top? It's going to be a tricky one. Come on, you can do it. Spirit level, obviously. Again, don't over tighten these. You just need it tight enough to sit nice and secure against the wall without moving. There we go, that's not going anywhere. Covers on, sometimes they're a bit tight. Give it a little tap. There we go. I see, that looks really smart. You've got the rounded edges, screw cap covers, and there's your 13 amp 2-gang socket installed. I hope you found this video useful. Don't forget, subscribe, like the video, and share away. I'll see you in the next video.